we had provided analysis for Amazon for 26 September. So we can see that here our entry was triggered at this place, but our stop loss was hit on the buying side. Anyways, now we are planning for 27 September. Let me delete this. Then the high for this would be, what is the high for this candle? It is 117.34 and the low is 113.13. So our buying side, on the buying side, we have 119, and on the selling side we have 111.50. We would sell the stock at this level, 111.50 for 27 September. Now, what would be our stop loss and target for the long position? For the long position, our stop loss would be $1 and the target would be $2.5. Risk to reward ratio 2.5. And on the selling side, we have target is $3 for 1 day and our stop loss is $1. This is for intraday traders. So our risk to reward ratio is 3 on the selling side, while on the buying side is 2.5. Thank you.
I just want to tell you that comment if you are profitable and keep sharing the videos of this channel with your friends, and always play in the market with a stop loss. We are the disciplined trader, so stop loss is a must for us. Take trades, become profitable, and in the end, love you.